Hi, my name's Paige Deverell, and today I'm going to show you how to change the blade on a bow saw. We need to make sure that the cover of the blade is on at all times because it can get a little bit fiddly and you're not wanting to touch the bare blade with your hands or your fingers. So we're going to start by pulling this side of the bow saw down to release the blade. So that's our blade release. Here we're going to undo this. Take the blade out, and this side we have a nut and a bolt which we're going to unscrew, making sure that you know where they are so that when you replace the blade you have them to refit it. Taking the blade out, make sure that when you are replacing your blade that the blade is the right way around. Please take pointing out and down. We're going to place it back in. Closing that. Bolt in and tighten it up with the nut. Make sure that this bit is still closed. This bit can get a little bit fiddly, but just make sure that that is still hooked in, and pull this down until it's shut, like that, and then your blade is replaced.